You're celebrating it today at
KFC.
with a small cake.
Yummy.
Yummy. And on the 15th, where are you celebrating on the 15th?
Kenny Rogers.
With your
Bigger cake.
and classmate.
Yeah. I hope my classmates will know where's the location.
They know because they have the invitation.
Okay. And then they're just gonna use it on
Dito mo lang tanggalin mo yung ano dito.
Yung slide na fill your cup din.
Oo. May
Yan.
mga nakita din kaming ganyan, anak.
Nature spring.
Let's see. Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, what's your wish? Wait, wish.
1,
2.
Amen.
Sige pa. Tutukan mo yung yung candle. Good job. Let's eat.
We put the cake.
Uy, eto na, baby. Ayun na yun sa'yo. Yay! Are you happy?
Yeah.
Oh. Daddy, tignan mo paano i-assemble.
ito na naman siya ng kapag-asin.
Happy ka na?
Walang sir. Pasal kami lang siya dito. Try mo muna.
Try daw muna. Yeah.
Ayun yung break sa likod.
Break mo yung likod, di ba? Sige, try. Come on. Ay, very good. Sige.
Bigyan mo na tamang bayaran na natin. Tapos kapag tatanggalin nyo naman siya, pipilitin nyo itong kabilaan.
What will you say?
Yo.
Ano? Hindi ko marinig.
Thank you.
Thank you. And?
Jump.
Can I call mommy and daddy naman po sa harapan? Sa ating mga guests, pwede po silang umupo. And mami sir, message lamang po sa ating mga guests. And then yung preparation po natin sa birthday po ni Jill.
Sa mga nagpunta, mga mommies, mga daddies, mga lolo, lola, tito, tita, ninong, ninang, chairman, friends, relatives, thank you sa inyo for making Jill's birthday so special. Hirap si Mami.
Nasabi mo na lahat, pero I will say thank you to everyone.
Then ma'am, paano naman po yung preparation po natin sa 7th birthday po ni Jill?
Yung preparation, hindi ko alam eh, wala.
Ayun, bakit ma'am Kenny Rogers? Ba't hindi Jollibee?
Okay, kasi nag-celebrate na kami doon dati pa, so we want a different experience kung paano mag-celebrate sa Kenny Rogers.
Yun. Kasi para medyo stick, medyo cool ko, gano'n. Para kakaiba.
Ayan, thank you po kayo mga dali. Dali na pa sila kumuha. Yung si Jill po. Dito na lang po dito natin. Okay, mananalo po ng 1 box of muffins galing po kay Kenny Rogers. Ang hindi po makakasagot, may consequence po galing kay Jill. Okay, for our first question po. Ano po ang full name ni Jill? Okay, tayo po lahat. In 3, 2, 1. With energy!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, once again, yung may mas energy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan. Jill, close your eyes, make a wish, then blow your candle.
Thanks for watching. Bye.